What is up and welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, we are back here at Volkswagen SRI HARTAMAS, and guess what? We are joined with Brian, man, bro. Pleasure to be here, dude, again. And dude, guys, check out the color of this car. We are with Brian, and Brian is gonna walk us through this amazing piece of art. So, bro, Brian, tell us what's the name of this car, man, dude? Yeah, thank you, bro.
Andrew, so this is our latest model in offer. This is the Audi Q5 Sportback.
Okay.
This is in a very nice color. We call it District Green.
District Green.
District Green. And my personal favorite, Andrew, would be this particular color.
One thing the thing catching my attention the most is the shape of the grille, how it's going like this, and then on top of that, how the light has this hiding part going right inside the bumper right here that comes out, makes it look super nice to look at from the front.
Basically, Andrew, what if you could see the difference between the previous generation? This, for our viewers, this is the third generation.
Okay.
Right? And it's on the PPC platform. Now, what we can see the difference is the car looks a bit more sleeker from the front itself.
Okay.
As you mentioned, Andrew, you know, the lights are more sleeker, somewhat hidden, and then the grille very prominent.
Yeah,
right?
I
you
can see
the
that.
grille is very prominent with the Audi logo is very prominent over here.
The two-tone finishes with the grey and the black absolutely helps a lot. Really nice. I love this as well. Here, the grille opening with some airflow happening on the inside there.
Correct.
Super.
And then down here we have the radar.
The sensor right down here, right? So that's kind of cool. I like that a lot. Very nice.
We also have the camera here.
360 camera
For
front.
360 camera. So very distinctive shape. This particular car, very sexy looking, very curvy if you ask me.
Nice.
You know, everything is very close to you, Andrew, if you can see.
Yep. I like how it's like overlapping and hiding it, right? So, man, before we move to the back of the car, what's the performance like on this? Can we open up the front hood to show you guys what's happening on the engine part, you know? So
this is how the key looks like, Andrew.
Oh, nice, man, dude. Awesome. Love it. So, keyless also as well.
Place your hand here.
Up the door.
Opens.
Q5 Sportback TFSI Quattro. So Quattro is all-wheel.
Correct.
All-wheel drive. So we open up. This is the S-Line.
This is
So,
the
right.
S-Line version, Andrew. So
Cool.
let me open up the hood, bonnet for our viewers. There we go.
Wow, nice.
Bit of technical, Andrew. This car, first of all, is a CBU unit.
Okay.
At the moment, for Audi Malaysia, we do not have CKD.
Okay.
So for our viewers and for potential clients, this is a full CBU unit from Mexico.
Okay.
The car is, this particular model, we call it the Audi Q5 Sportback, right? So this is the sportier version. We have two versions. So one is the Sportback, this, and we have an SUV, which for another video. So let's talk about this performance. FSI 2-liter engine, turbo fuel stratified injection, which churns out 272 horsepower and 400 Newton meter torque.
So beautiful, man, dude. I love how the color of the car, and then now you give me this 2-liter thing. I think not many people want to pay a huge Rotax price for a 2.5 or 3-liter or 4-liter or whatnot, but this is a 2-liter. For a car that looks like this with a 2-liter engine, I think that really is amazing, dude.
So it's mated with a 7-speed DSG gearbox. Right, so this ensures very good fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance.
Nice.
Andrew, and it's very smooth, which later when we drive you can actually feel it.
Cool, man, dude. Cool. Now let's move to the side, man, dude. How's the front wheel like? How many inches are these and like?
The tires, Andrew, for this particular car, this is equipped with 20 inches. Alright, and if you could see something a bit special, it's actually engraved here, the RS.
Wow.
So this is one of the indication for our viewers to see the difference between the Sportback and the SUV.
That's nice, bro. Nice. Michelin tires, what they're using as well.
Yes.
Tire size is where's the tire size? Oh, there it is.
Inches.
255 45 R20.
Yeah.
I love it, man. I love it. Nice, bro. Superb. So for the side right here, also the wheel arch is grayed out, similar towards the
yes, to the
front.
bumper in the front.
To match it towards the front a little bit, yeah.
It does look, Andrew, in a way. Hang on, let me put this one down.
Yep.
Now, if you look from the street view, it does look like somewhat a two-tone car.
Yep.
Right? So for our clients who prefer to look like a one-tone car, single-tone car, then you need to get the grey.
Okay, the grey.
Then you would see that it's pretty much like a single tone. But for this car, essentially it's a two-tone.
Very
The
nice.
bottom is slightly different, if you could see.
Yeah, I can see that. I like how they have this grey here, then they got another grey here. Then it's
Yes.
just nice, man, dude. It's superb.
Yeah.
Very nice indeed.
And for the Sportback, this is the Coupe. You can see that it slants.
The slope line coming down. So there's no glass roof at the top,
We
bro?
do not have
Nothing.
a glass roof.
So no glass roof, but you got your shark fin
Shark fin
antenna,
antenna.
the black one, gloss black right there. Wow, I love the back, dude. Wow, damn, man.
It's really gorgeous.
This is
if
nice,
you
dude.
ask me. So we
Yep.
have a light bar over here, Andrew.
Wow, superb,
Right?
superb.
Even
Very
the
nice.
Q5 is
Blacked
in
out.
black.
And I like how the light is like, it's like going in, you know. You know, it's like, I
It
don't know how to
doesn't
say
give
this, man.
the,
Yeah.
like it's as if it's, you know,
Yeah,
the
true.
part is like almost out, right?
Mm-hmm.
And over here, Andrew,
Yeah.
you can see, here there is actually underneath here when you brake, there's another separation, or it looks like a light, but it's actually a reflection.
Wow, that's so cool, man.
So later, maybe we can, our clients can actually see more clearer.
When it's
Now-
down in the dark, lah. But yeah,
But
cool.
my favorite, Andrew, is actual exhaust.
Actual exhaust tailpipes,
Yep. So it's
Wow.
not a fake exhaust; it's actual exhaust. With this really nice, good-looking diffuser.
Rear diffuser, you got this grayed out finish, satin finish, then you got this gloss finish, superb, man. So rear view camera is here. These Audi badges, they don't light up, right?
Nah,
No,
it
but
doesn't light up, unfortunately.
yeah, but you can open it up. How's the boot space like?
Boot space, we're talking
Oh.
about approximately 515 liters.
Wow,
At
spacious.
this setting, around 550 liters at this setting,
mhm.
and you get approximately 1000 liters when you drop off everything.
Wow.
The balance of the seats. So
Very
for
nice,
you
man,
to
dude.
drop the seats,
Mhm.
Andrew, is actually these two.
Okay, you can pull it out from
And then over
there.
here, now, if you can see, there's no spare tire.
Uh-huh.
We do not offer spare tire for this model.
Okay.
Instead, there is a shade over here to cover your, if you have anything stuck
Yeah,
here
yeah,
and you want privacy.
Mhm.
So there's a shade here.
Very
and
nice.
yeah, it's very straightforward.
Subwoofer, I believe, is these ones right here.
Correct.
That's subwoofer. So if you fall on the seats, how would it look like, man, dude?
So if you follow on the seats, you just pull this one down. You see, it goes all the way down here.
So I go there and I push it
Yeah.
down. Wait, damn cool, man. Very nice. Wow. So it locks in also, It locks in as well.
It
Cool.
locks. And you get a huge space of over 1000 liters, Andrew.
Wow, man. This is nice, bro. This is really, really nice. I like what's happening right here. I love the charging port as well. The slope also is looking just fine when you sit in. I don't think so the head will reach. But to pull up the seats, you press this,
Yep.
and you push it all the way back up. Get the seat
there's
belt
a
out of
side
the way.
Switch, which you play all the way back.
Nice.
And sitting is actually pretty comfortable, Andrew, because the seats actually grip you well
Mhm.
here.
Mhm.
And we have the child booster seats if needed.
Isofix,
Yep.
Very cool,
And
man.
yes, we also have
Center
your
armrest.
center armrest plus
Cup holder.
with two cup holders,
Beautiful, man.
right? And then we have aircon behind here
Uh-huh.
with two charging points.
Nice. Type C, yeah?
Yep.
Awesome, awesome. Love the net right here for storage purposes. Damn cool. So the rear wheel, is it the same, what is this? The
Correct. It's
tire
exactly
size.
the same.
Michelin, so it's 255, 45, R20. So you
Correct.
can swap the front and back together.
Yeah.
So solid disc brakes for the rear. I love the finishing of the wheel, the two-tone finish,
Mhm.
the grayed out finish together with the...
This rim, Andrew, actually when it's in motion,
Mm.
it's actually quite pretty looking. You know, when the car is actually in motion,
Yeah.
when it's spinning,
Yeah.
you have the Audi logo in the center,
Mm.
and because the lock caps are all blacked out, so it actually looks like there's only one single cap
Yeah.
when the car is in motion,
Mhm.
right? And because it has almost like two-tone, if you see,
Yeah, yeah.
right? So it actually gives a very nice impression.
Nice,
and
bro.
yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. You can see the third brake
Yeah,
light over
bro.
here. Yeah, so it's something different only for this model.
Cool, man. I like it. I like it. So we close it electronically.
Yep.
Power boot. Let's close that down. Damn nice, bro.
Now,
I like
Andrew,
it.
what
Yeah.
I want to point to you is,
Mhm.
right? Okay, let me just open this.
Okay.
When you walk up to the car and you unlock the car, right?
Mhm.
If you could see here, it actually indicates to you where is the kick assist,
Okay.
right? For you to hands-free open and close your boot.
Mhm.
Now, it's actually positioned here.
It's not in the center, it's at the
not
side.
in the center.
Mm.
However, for our users and our clients, Andrew, what I like to say, what I like to inform is, there's a light here,
Okay.
which obviously we can't see. It's during the day.
Oh.
So later, I will show it to our viewers and our potential clients where is the location of the light to make it easy for you rather than people come and they'll be
They're
guessing.
doing that,
where
yeah.
is it, right?
Okay,
So
cool,
actually
cool.
this time Audi did it really perfect and indicated here as well as down there the guide.
Okay, nice. I like it. Okay, cool. So let's go to the front passenger and driver. Maybe you can sit at the driver's side.
Yeah.
You can see how's the appearance like on this. Wow, bro. This looks good, man. You're using Bang & Olufsen's speakers, man. Wow, nice. Handle right there, handle right here, compartment storage down here.
Okay.
Wow,
The
dude, look at the
biggest-
screen, man.
Exactly, Andrew. Now the
Damn.
biggest difference is actually the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now let me start the car. Show our customers, our clients how the screen looks like.
Wow, dude.
We call it panoramic. So if you look at it, Andrew, everything is curved towards the driver.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is pointed towards the driver.
Yep.
Right? Get rid of this. Okay. Now, the first thing besides the screen our clients will realize is this
Flat bottom steering.
flat bottom steering, which is, if you look on top, is also flat.
Yeah.
So it gives you the very sporty feel
Mhm.
when you drive the car,
Mhm.
right? And it's different with the SUV.
Mhm.
It's different SUV. Over here is all the ambient lighting.
Where is it, bro? At the
Actually
side.
here.
Oh, okay,
all
cool.
the sides here.
Ah, yeah, over there.
Okay.
Can see it. Yep. Wow.
and
nice.
and the thing is, my favorite is here in the screen. It's actually quite cool because you could actually rest your hand here.
And then while you go and select
Correct.
stuff, instead of you
Yeah,
having
when
your
you
hand
are-
floating like
yeah.
that, right? So no support.
Correct. So you see, you can actually put it here,
Yeah.
your
and
hand
you
here,
can go.
and then you can just move. And if you feel the screen, Andrew,
Mhm.
it's actually very interactive.
So you get all your settings, everything you need, everything is over there. Driving mode, how do you change it, man?
So driving mode is actually located here.
Down
at the
here.
drive select. Alright. So we have balance. I
Mhm.
will come to that later, maybe
Mhm.
during the
The
next
drive
video.
thing there.
We have dynamic, comfort, and then we have efficiency,
Efficiency.
and off-road plus.
Nice, bro.
Alright.
Nice.
Aircon, everything is being controlled here.
Mm-hmm.
Andrew. So you got 1, 2, 4
Heated,
doors.
ventilated seats also.
Yes, correct. You
Wow.
got ventilated seats here. You got heated seats here.
Wow.
Same thing for the driver. Heated and ventilated seats.
Yeah. Cool,
Okay.
cool. Very, very cooling. So it's well on the inside of this car. You got frameless rear view mirrors.
Yep.
I like it. And then you got your SOS call button for emergency. You got even this part right here, of course, light it up.
Yep. Now, Andrew, I want to point this out. Some clients have asked us if this is a screen. Unfortunately,
No.
it's not in
It's
Malaysia.
not a screen. Okay.
Right, it's not. Our wireless charging point is here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Alright.
Cool.
So the aircon is placed a bit more lower.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Because to make space for the screen, right?
Yep. Yep.
So the aircon is placed slightly lower, and we do not have a physical gear knob.
Ah, so it's this.
Correct?
So up and down drive, and then
Let me just show you.
Mhm.
So now, for example, if I hold, you just pull it down,
Mhm.
it goes to drive,
goes to drive. So
Right.
cool.
and it will says here,
Mm-hmm.
okay, the car is ready, and it's in hold.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then if you push it one up, it goes, to
into
neutral,
Okay.
and it says please take over, because when I relieve the car,
The car will be
the
rolling
brake,
backwards.
it goes backwards.
Okay.
Yeah. So it does tell you.
So gotta put P lah. That means.
Alright. And yes, you engage the P here,
Mm.
and it's already
In
in
parking,
parking
mode.
mode.
So when it comes to 360 camera, how do I?
Okay,
where
for
do I?
360 camera,
Or is it this?
if you put it
Mm.
in reverse,
Mhm.
it automatically comes like this.
Wow,
On
very
two sides of the screen.
Mhm.
You can see it's actually very clear.
Wow. Front
Right.
camera also I can choose to see it if I want to.
Exactly.
Maybe.
So you can
Oh.
focus. like
It's nice. So
Mhm.
this
There you go.
and then. Oh, I did
Yeah.
this, dude. Damn cool.
Actually quite cool.
okay, that's cool. How much is the car, man, dude?
So this car is actually at the moment retailing for 440,000.
440,000. And these cars, you can find them at your showroom here.
Correct.
All the way in
Audi
Sri Hartamas,
Hartamas.
Audi Sri Hartamas. You can look for Brian,
Mhm.
and he'll be more than happy to assist you with your brand new purchase of this gorgeous looking Audi Q5 Sportback.
Sportback.
Very nice, man, dude. And this is the S line. There's no other line. There is another one, R line or
No, there's
No.
S line.
yes,
So
S
this
line.
for Audi we
Mm.
call it S line,
Mm-hmm.
and then for VW is R line.
Okay, got it. Sorry, mistakenly.
It's fine. You know,
Sorry
but
about that.
something. Yeah.
But bro, those ones are damn cool, man.
Okay, now this is another thing I want to highlight,
Yeah.
Andrew. So instead of traditionally a lot of the bunch of controls being here,
Mhm, mhm.
everything is here.
Easier.
Yeah,
Mm.
the logic is you're 100% right. You see, while I'm driving,
Mhm.
this is my ideal driving position. The engineering is so that I do not have to
go and find
move
for it.
and fan, yeah.
You know?
Everything while I'm driving, I can actually adjust. So for example, your lights are here, right? Your lights are here, your side lights, your off, your auto lights are here. You can also control your front and rear additional lighting during weather.
Wow,
For example, if it's rainy, if it's foggy, right? And then you got your rear fog lights. Now, controlling your
unlock and lock.
lock and unlock is here, right? And your seat memory is also here,
Very nice, man, dude.
right? Child lock as well here, Andrew.
So there.
As well as your side mirror settings.
Adjustments. So those ones are, man, they are not touch, but they are buttons, but they are lighted up, right? You gotta
Correct.
press it, you gotta put force, then only you can
Correct.
actually
So-
work, right?
So you
Yeah.
can hear a click, Andrew. Let me just show to you. Watch this.
So then you're selecting
Then
that
you
one
have-
over
yeah,
there.
So for example, if I move it now, there you go.
Mirror looks good, man, bro. By the way, the design of the mirror, I like it.
Pretty aerodynamic.
Very
looking.
nice, yeah, very nice, and it looks damn cool, lah, man. So blind spot is that white color dot on that side, lah.
No, that's
your-
actually the signal. The
Okay.
blind spot, Andrew, is the black inside.
the black inside there.
Yeah.
Nice, bro.
So
Nice.
later maybe we can.
When driving time can see it, lah.
Yep,
But
correct.
damn cool, bro. I like how this car looks. If you guys like to find out more, do get in touch with Brian. His contact number is right down below, so you guys can inquire more about this car and any other Audi cars that they have displayed right here in the showroom in Sri Hartamas. So yeah, man, dude.
Alright.
Brian, thank you so much for your time, bro. We're gonna
See
go
you.
for a drive in this car. You gotta check out the next video. So thank you guys for watching and see you soon.